Oh my god, Bedwars.
Oh my
I'm
god,
getting
guys.
400 stars in Bedwars, mate. It's like literally
Yeah,
insane.
guys.
Holy shit. It's already broken a bit. That's literal hicks, mate. Guys,
Fly hack.
Yep, dude. I have a speed bridge mod and I breezely with it. Fuck. New Bedwars player. Oh my gosh. Dude, he's literally insane. He was AFK here for fight. Yup. I'm gonna get 200. This game's been slow as fuck. The item didn't take a single fucking block of knockback there. No, that's really fair. It's Bedwars for you. Mate, I'm putting down a TNT, mate. What is his show? Didn't even open it. Not got it.
Good game.
Fucking team wipe. Oh my gosh!
Oh, well, I can take this team out by myself. I want a pro at that. I can take out the team by myself.
I'm an independent man.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm an
Hashtag
independent man
shotgunRAIDS.
too, like Chip the Jones. No, the pushing play.
JJ, 1k. Oh my god!
GG.
400 star, what the frick, dude? Oh my gosh.
GG.
Literally insane. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Mate,
GG, mate.
I can't talk, but oh my god, it looks so hot. What the frick, dude? Stand here, mate. Oh my gosh. Let's take a screen.
Hey, congratulations! It's a
Celebration.
celebration party all day.
Oh my god,
waiting.
this is so epic.
Hey,
Everyone
my
get
god.
over to the goal.
Oh my god.
Get over
He
to the
got
stats
Emerald
viewer.
Prestige.
Get over to the stats viewer with him. Let's take a
Pres-
screenshot. Oh my gosh, this is insane.
Yeah, worst Prestige. Congrats.
Yay, I love this. Oh my gosh. This is totally epic.
Type in chat.
Ah,
LMAO JK muted for another 25 days.
25 dice. You're mute.